A horrifying discovery. The moments a crew member from the LMAX Exchange team taking part in the Clipper round-the-world yacht race discovers the mummified body of a German sailor. It was during Race 7 between Airlie Beach in Australia and Da Nang in Vietnam that the team spotted an abandoned yacht floating in their path near the coast of Guam. So at 6:24 UTC, they stopped competing and went to investigate, with one crew member wearing a camera and swimming over to the boats.
Bonsoir.
Speaking in French, he calls out but receives no response, reporting back to his teammates that the boat is empty. He then informs them he's going to go inside, at which point he catches sight of the deceased body of Manfred Fritz Badgerat, who was at an advanced state of decomposition. The crew have said they then liaised with the US Coast Guard in Guam before being told to continue racing, as they could provide no further assistance with the Coast Guard taking over. The Clipper race director Justin Taylor notified the German embassy in London. They informed the German police, who traced the sailor's next of kin via the boat's registration details, which the team had provided. However, the boat continued to drift, and at the end of February, it was discovered by Filipino fishermen, when news of the man's death became public. The Clipper team say they had chosen not to publicise what their crew had found out of respect and hoped to avoid unnecessary alarm within the international sailing community. The crew member who went aboard found the moment distressing and has chosen not to speak about it, although the team released a statement saying they found comfort he was found and hoped it would give peace to his friends and family.